How to fix data hacker corruption is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. And then in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Now go to the installed files tab and verify the integrity of game files. Now once this is completed, you can close Steam and open up your browser. Now for distributables, you want to search for Redist. Click on the first link. And from this second table here, you will need to download and install the 86 redistributables and the 64, both of them. And once you finish installing these, it will ask you to reboot your computer. And right after the reboot, you'll also need to check for your GPU driver updates. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need NVIDIA app to search for the latest updates and install them. And if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software to get the latest updates. And once you've installed the latest driver updates, you will need to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. This should fix the crash problem. If you find this helpful, leave a comment below and see you on the next one.